세계 최고 첨단 기술 회사 중 하나인 와이어트사.
When they hired us, we were going to take over the world.
그러나 입사 6년 차인 아담 캐시디는 여전히 쥐꼬리만한 월급을 받고 있었고
Drones watching our bosses take home obscene bone. Our time to shine.
You all right?
Yeah, we're going to kill it.
오늘은 입사 동기들과 함께 회장 앞에서 발표가 있는 날이었습니다.
Good morning. We are all in the business of connecting.
This water's not hot enough.
We're in the business of connecting people.
You already said that.
Those same customers are now texting more than they're talking, and 4-inch mobile had a 60-inch.
Oh, well, then it wouldn't be mobile.
아담의 말끝마다 태클을 거는 회장 와이어트.
Is he pitching me software?
결국 아담도 참지 못했고
Oh, sir, I believe the disconnect is between you and the hires to sit around and watch you make tea, did you?
시원하게 질러버리고 말았죠.
I've lost touch with your generation. What was your name?
Adam Cassidy.
Next, bring in Richard McAllister.
시원하게 말아먹은 프리젠테이션.
I'm sorry, guys.
You just left us standing there looking like idiots. That's what happens when your team leader goes rogue and argues with...
We'll find new jobs, right?
You know what? Least I can do is buy you guys a few drinks. We're going to Rise.
회사에서 잘리기 직전 법인카드를 들고 클럽으로 향했고
Can we get another bottle of Syrah?
그러다 그는 클럽에서 한 미모의 여성을 발견하는데요.
Hey, buddy, where you going?
I have to go. So do you.
Did I, do something wrong?
We are leaving.
Are you taking the fire escape?
You stalking me now?
I just want to know your name.
You're not relationship material.
Didn't we have sex?
And you had the night of your life. Your words, not mine.
그때 아담 앞에 나타난 한 차량.
Mr. White would like to speak with you.
분위기가 심상치 않아 보입니다.
The man who claims he knows my business better than I.
It seems you were the beneficiary of an accounting error we made.
We used it on market research.
Oh, Club Rise. You think you can rip me off and get away with it?
클럽에서 무려 16,000달러를 사용해버린 아담.
It's meal.
You were raised in a low-income home in
My father spent 32 years as a...
소박하게 살아온 아버지와 달리 아담에게는 큰 야망이 있었고
What if I told you I could make you rich? That was a smart pitch you gave yesterday.
와이어트는 자신이 전에 속했던 회사이자 경쟁사인 아이콘에 아담을 입사시켜 정보를 빼낼 생각이었습니다.
Icon has a new smartphone coming that's said to be a...
Okay, get us what we need. You'll see another million in stock options.
This is illegal. It's stealing trade secrets.
This is the opportunity.
If I say no,
You and your friends will be prosecuted.
그에게는 선택의 여지가 없었죠.
Where you going?
I caught a break at the company. I gotta work, Dad. That's how you climb the ladder. Here's some money. You can order in, okay? What exactly do you do for the company, Judith?
I can give you the tools to ascend to the highest ranks of corporate...
주디스는 아담이 아이콘사에 입사할 수 있도록 하나하나 준비해 가기 시작합니다.
This way. I'll show you to your room.
If you want to be accepted, you have to look the part. And trust is the holy grail of espionage. Jock lost his son Dylan to a drug overdose.
과거 와이어트와 조크 고다드는 최고의 파트너였지만 서로 등을 돌리게 되었고 와이어트는 지금의 회사를 만들게 된 것이었죠.
A little guy with a needle and thread brings down an empire. A good artist copies. A great artist. You might want to remember that. I lose 1% market share. Rather counter the Dutch for a fraction. Sell to Goddard.
Hello?
You only have one shot at this.
Tom Lundgren is executive hiring coordinator for Icon.
Adam, let me introduce Emma Jennings, head of our marketing department.
그런데 전에 봤던 엠마는 아이콘사의 마케팅 부서장이었고
Is that because power management doesn't deliver?
Module to make download speed the fastest on the market.
That's not why we agreed to meet with him. To outsold your model 2 to 1.
Yeah, the marketing was genius.
Have you two met?
No.
I think we got off on the wrong foot. Always do your homework. That's what you said, isn't it? Let's save the day. Connected. Pulled an offer, a big ass offer.
잠시 후 주디스는 아담이 머물 새 아파트에 데려다 주었고
Thought you'd like it.
This is mine.
Per our agreement, we've deposited $500,000 into an...
Here on out, all the way under.
You will respond to my calls, no matter the time.
이 집에 오니 자신이 성공한 듯 느껴지는 아담이었죠.
I want a copy of his body scan sent.
Welcome to Icon. Thank you. It's great to be here.
And we're here on the 40th. It gets you anywhere your clearance is.
그렇게 아이콘사에서의 아담의 활동이 시작되었고 뒤에서는 계속 와이어트사와 소통했습니다.
No, it's all about the presentation. You have to improve. Rowena, I need you to put together an R&D focus group. Bye.
Soldiers need to know where each other are at all times. I can Trojan horse tracking data in an email to each. I can make this thing work. Yo, Kev. It's me. I need your help.
군인들을 보고 한 아이디어가 떠오른 그는 옛 동료들을 만났고 이들에게 현재 상황을 말한 뒤 도움을 요청합니다.
I just tweaked the icon software a little. So now our phones track each other working in unison.
Dude, that's awesome. You crushed that.
Yeah, but that ain't all.
What can I get you? Another OJ. Someone who wants to keep his edge.
Hey, OJ, we're sleeping together, me and her.
Nice to meet you, Alex.
얼마 후 아이콘사의 회장 조크 고다드 앞에서 발표를 하게 된 아담.
Jack Goddard.
Adam Cassidy coded 3 DPS-like data to identify you. 3 DPS is more precise than GPS and works on a Z. Because in the heat of battle, that can be the difference between killing the enemy and killing your own.
Let's put together a team for Adam.
그의 발표는 성공적으로 끝이 났습니다.
You are hard to please.
Not that you'd remember.
Hi, Adam. I'm calling from Jack Goddard's office.
아담은 고다드의 집에서 열리는 파티에 초대를 받게 되었고
Oh, hey.
Thanks for having me, Mr. Goddard.
Chuck. First time up at bat and you bang it off the scoreboard? Way to go.
See you later.
You're looking for the bathroom you missed. You remind me of Wyatt. Surprised he let you go.
Is that your son?
Yeah, it's Dylan. Shit happens to everybody.
You don't have to hide away out here.
My dad was a security guard. I'm pretty sure he's putting it to the nurse I'm paying.
I come from a family where patient is so high that I can't really ever.
I'm trying to sleep my way to the top.
Come on, take me home.
아이콘사의 내부 정보를 훔치고 집으로 돌아왔는데 누군가 그를 기다리고 있었습니다.
I want to remove the battery from your cellular device. Agent Gamble, the FBI's criminal investigation. We've been looking at the Wyatt Corp for about 5 years now.
캠블은 와이어트에서 아이콘사로 옮겼던 남자 2명이 의문의 사고사를 당했다는 사실에 대해 알려줍니다.
Circling the drain at Wyatt. Now you're some hotshot exec over
I
that.
don't know what you're talking about, okay?
All it takes is one mistake, one slip up. Don't wait till it's too late.
Well, tell me what's going on.
You wouldn't understand.
Come on, Adam. We had a perfect life.
I don't want to end up like you.
아담은 곧바로 와이어트를 찾아갔고
I'm done now. This isn't who I am.
Did you frisk him?
Get off. I got what you asked for, okay? We had a deal. I just want my money.
Just are no good to me.
와이어트는 약속과 달리 쉽게 그를 놓아주지 않았습니다.
Jock builds one prototype. It stays in the vault on the 38th floor. I just need to see his vision.
No.
When I say you're out, see? I can get to anyone. It's just business, Adam. Everybody steals, everybody lies. Now, the first order of business, Emma's fingerprints.
My parents are having this thing for my brother's engagement this weekend.
You sure I'm relationship material? Of course I will.
Come on in. Come on, let's take a drive. I'll buy you lunch. Imagine walking around with nothing but your cell phone. It'll be more than that. Super slim battery that recharges your health. Calendar. Oh, my goodness.
Jock.
Nick?
Lunch. Lunch brings me here. Hello again, Adam.
Remember when we used to share ideas?
I try not to.
Why don't we sit down together sometime?
Truth is, I'm going to bury you.
Don't let your lunch get cold, Nick. Nice seeing you, Judith.
집으로 돌아와 고다드에 대해 조사해보는 아담.
Search after search on Goddard. I think this boy's gone soft on us.
하지만 와이어트사는 아담의 일거수일투족을 감시하고 있었죠.
You're gonna ignore my call.
Where are you?
Then get us what we need.
You have 2 days to break into Icon.
아담이 엇나가자 와이어트는 곧바로 움직이기 시작했고
I messed up, Dad.
Gotta figure a way out.
Yeah, put a lot of people I care about in danger.
Adam, you think the FBI is the only option, or they could kill you.
Okay, were there witnesses? Did anyone get the play?
이번엔 아담을 직접적으로 노리기 시작합니다. 열심히 도망쳐보지만 결국
On your knees.
In tonight, and you'll need Emma's phone to do it.
Can I come in? I haven't been honest with you.
What do you mean?
There's things I want to tell you that I...
Adam?
We've lost floors 1 through 5. Get our IT guy on the line.
Adam Cassidy is not in his office.
Shit.
Mr. Cassidy!
We've got somebody at the vault.
그 순간 그의 앞에 나타난 것은 고다드였고
Got caught with your hand in the cookie jar, didn't you? Where are you gonna start? Recorded it all. Every conversation, every text between.
알고 보니 처음부터 와이어트와 아담의 관계를 알고 있었죠.
You'll be at the Sutton Club tomorrow at noon. You.
Let him out.
Big mistake.
집으로 돌아오니 엠마가 그를 기다리고 있었고
What are you doing here? Can't be here.
Everything you said, everything you did.
I wanted to be someone else.
Now you are. I fell for you because you weren't like everyone else.
Emma, I'm gonna make this right. I'm sorry, man. I'm the reason for all this.
The real question is, what are we gonna do about it?
We're gonna use what they taught me to destroy what they built.
다음날 와이어트를 찾아간 아담.
Don't remember inviting you.
Goddard orchestrated this whole thing. This is the death of your empire, Nick.
Mails, texts, got the break-in on camera.
We had good intel on this.
Where did you get that intel?
알고 보니 고다드의 첩자였던 주디스.
Hamilton, Jock's hometown.
Nick.
That's one down.
One more to go.
Get out your phones. Sit down. Put the batteries. Says you've got another phone.
I lost the signal. Both phones, they're gone.
Can you get it back?
고다드는 와이어트에게 보유 주식을 헐값에 팔라 요구했고
I get it, or the feds do.
I'm not signing this.
Then you go to jail.
You arrogant bastard.
Oh, I'm standing on your neck!
Strung you along till the only hope was sell or not. Your company is finished. Now get out.
Why go to all the trouble?
Because I wanted to see him bleed. Go. With this name on the door, he developed his ass
You
off.
needed him. You're nothing without him.
Who is this?
Mr. Goddard?
You really trash your emails when you're done reading them.
You all an email this morning in which I encoded 3 DPS. Someone's always listening, Jock.
I'm gonna make your life a living hell.
Did the right thing, kid.
Augustine Goddard, you had a right to remain.
I handed the feds Wyatt and Goddard. As for me, I got lucky. Feds cut me a break for my cooperate. Things I thought I wanted don't seem so important anymore. I'm sorry it took me so long to act on it.
I never wanted to do any of this to you. I'm sorry.
Thanks.
Did I ever tell you you were right?
About what?
I'm sorry I didn't listen to you.
How's it going with that girl?
Oh, she won't talk to me.
You know how long it took me to get a date with your mother? And I was much better looking then. Where are you going? Which subway's this way?
It's a rental, Dad. I got it for the day. I'm doing things my way now. There are no shortcuts.
Adam, you have a visitor.
Hey.
Nice place you have here. Getting emails about a job offer at a brand new start. Why I didn't see that coming.
I need you here.
think about it.
Can I at least thank you for considering my offer?
영화는 이렇게 해피엔딩으로 마무리됩니다.
A few seconds ago, another huge blast is experiencing shock and awe.
때는 2003년 이라크의 전쟁이 발발했고 9.11 사건을 포함한 여러 테러로부터 계속 시달려온 미국이 이라크에 대량의 무기가 숨어있다는 정보를 듣고 쳐들어온 것이었죠. 세계 평화라는 명목하에 시작된 이라크 전쟁, 그 안엔 검은 진실들이 존재하고 있었습니다. 이라크 바그다드에 대량의 살상 무기가 있다는 익명의 제보가 있었고 로이 밀러 주니가 이끄는 미 육군 팀원들이 현장으로 향했는데 총격전이 일어나며 현장은 이미 아수라장이었죠.
This is a WMD site. This is a high priority site. Gather up. Here's the situation. The weapons are in the northwest end of the complex. Michaels, I'm gonna need EOD. We ready? Yes, sir. Let's go. It's right up there. Get down the alley.
I'm gonna draw him out as soon as you see him.
Now. Got him. Got him. Three coming out. Second team, move. Let's go. Move.
Break out the gear. I want everyone in full mop.
생화학 무기를 앞두고 긴장감이 높아진 가운데
No readings in here, Chief.
그런데 제보의 내용과 달리 아무것도 발견할 수가 없었습니다.
Nothing but toilet parts over here.
No WMD site.
The site's empty.
완전히 허탕을 치고 말았습니다.
Where did that intel come from?
According to this data, Chief, this is our intel.
Third straight time.
살상 무기의 발견은 미국에게 있어 전쟁의 명분이었기에 빠르게 무기를 찾아내는 것이 무엇보다 중요한 상황이었죠.
How's it going? So what about the weapons? Doing everything we can. Find the weapons. Don't worry. I need the source. I need Magellan. You have any idea?
한편 외신 기자 로리 데이는 이번 사건을 제보자에 대해 조사 중이었죠.
I want to hear from him. I'll see what I can do.
Hey, where's Colonel Bethel? Back, Chief. What's going on with the intel? Talk about it. There's nothing there. These sites
Not making waves, okay? I don't want to hear that back in Washington.
It's not the time, Chief.
군대는 정부의 눈치만 보고 있는 상황.
What our plans are for the next 48 hours?
We're going to be briefing you on WMD operations, continuing to target high priority sites. We have a detailed media plan we've worked out.
밀러는 무언가 잘못됨을 느끼고 있었죠.
What's the source? Was it the same source we've been using? Isn't the grid, sir. The issue is that there's nothing there. There's a problem with the intelligence, sir.
Your job's to execute. I'm not worried about how they're put together.
하지만 그의 의견은 계속 무시당할 뿐이었고
Chief, all right, we're gonna go Kim. Yeah.
회의가 끝나자 CIA 국장이 그를 찾아왔습니다.
Here's my card. You're right. Something wrong here. You gotta figure out what it is.
밀러에게 정보를 공유하자 말하고 떠나는 국장. 밀러는 또다시 현장으로 출동하게 되죠. 한편 이라크의 주민들은 미군으로 인해 늘 불안함에 시달리고 있었고 이제는 그 불안함이 분노가 되어버렸죠. 한편 이라크 어딘가에서 보이는 수상한 움직임들. 이를 이라크의 현지 주민 프레디가 목격하게 됩니다.
والامريكان يحتلون كل البلد. القرار اللي هسه راح يحدد.
밀러의 부대는 또다시 무기를 찾기 시작했고
Sergeant Wilkins! There's a local here. It's out of control. Bring in a tackle.
What's going on here, Sergeant?
IG says he needs to talk to you. I agree someone
Hey,
needs to you.
Get him up.
밀러에게 말을 전하고 싶어하던 주민은 프레디였고
I'm trying to calm down, but this guy he put me on the floor. I saw some people, you know, like Saddam's men. I don't know. You're
Okay,
digging
let's
here.
calm down.
You are digging in the ground. Why you are digging in the ground? I am here to help you. Okay?
Come with me, Freddie. Come with me.
Chief, you don't believe this guy, do you?
Look, I want to go real low vis on this.
프레디의 말을 믿어보기로 한 밀러는 의심을 피하기 위해 군용차는 두고 갈 생각이었습니다.
I want to get something done. 2 or 3K west of here, there's a meeting taking place.
How do we know this guy isn't leading us into a fucking
Put
inch?
your fucking game face on.
Freddie, right? I'm Class. Nice to meet you.
الأمريكان يحلمون بالديمقراطية. راح يكون مستقبل العراق
If you stop here, it's the house on that corner.
Big white house with the wall. All right, we got a guy with a briefcase and another with an AK-47.
수상함을 느낀 미군들은 곧바로 습격을 준비하죠.
Zip him up, Connor. Stay with him. Everybody else go. Let's go. Clear this side, clear. Stairs down, Michael. Come with me, down. You ready to hook right? Hook right.
차량 한 대가 이미 도망치고 말았고
John, calm down. Don't let her leave. Don't let any of them leave this room.
Get Freddy in here.
Information, I don't want this. I need you to ask him questions.
프레디에게 통역을 부탁했고
I just got off the phone. That license plate belongs to General Motors.
Al-Rawi, don't know. Al-Rawi, you know who this is?
I don't know about WMD. He's coming with me.
밖으로 나와 신문을 더 이어가는데
I want you to get the guy. Get the guy and bring him to me. Tell him I want to know about weapons of mass destruction.
So only General Muhammad Al-Rawi he know about this. So can you protect his family? Protect my family. I will tell you how you fund.
Okay, he's got a deal.
그런데 그 순간 나타난 미국의 특수정보팀 갑자기 증인들을 모두 붙잡아 버립니다.
These are my guys. What are they doing now? This is where I've hired your people.
수첩은 증인의 것으로 중요한 증거 자료였는데 갑자기 사라져 버렸고 특수정보팀은 밀러의 부대를 의심하기 시작하죠. 수첩을 몰래 챙겼던 프레디가 사라져 버렸고
Why you are chasing me? Give me the book. What you are doing? I was going to bring the book back.
사실 그는 도망치려는 게 아닌 미군의 무차별적인 행동이 무서웠던 것이었죠.
With information, you take the information is right.
I'm gonna get you a reward for what you did today.
I think I do this for my future, for my country, for all this.
프레디는 대가가 아닌 조국을 위해 용기 낸 것이었고
Who is this?
Hey, this is Chief Miller.
Well, this morning I came face to face with Muhammad Al-Rawi.
Green Zone, Republican Palace by the pool.
I'm on my way.
밀러는 CIA 국장을 만나기 위해 그린존으로 이동하죠. 그린존은 미국이 이라크 지역에 만든 안전지대로 사치와 휴양의 느낌까지 나는 곳이었죠.
Can we have beer?
Not one.
Sure it was him? Positive. He slipped out during the firefight. Book that I took off this guy, Syed Hamza. Because if you can get me access to this guy, I'll get Al-Rawi.
All right, I'll make a call, get you signed.
갑자기 밀러를 스카우트해버리는 CIA 국장 그리고 밀러에게 접근하는 여기자 로리데인
Fifth, it's WMD unit, right? So what are you and Marty talking about?
Does it make sense to you that we're still coming up and someone told us they were there?
Call me.
곧바로 데인에 대해 조사해보는데 마젤란은 이라크에 핵심 무기가 있다 말한 제보자의 가명이었고 데인은 전부터 이 사건에 대해 조사해오고 있었습니다. 한편 특수정보팀에 붙잡혀간 세이드 함자는 엄청난 고문을 당하고 있었고
Chief Miller around?
Yeah, up the stairs, down on the right.
Clark Poundstone, Pentagon Special Intelligence Unit.
With our Met team, right?
Yeah. Says you guys might have lifted a notebook from him.
밀러는 수첩을 CIA 국장에게 넘겼다 말하는데
I know Marty's pulled you in temporarily, but if you're looking for something more permanent,
Keep it in mind.
you do that.
Your friend from the Pentagon Special Intelligence Unit.
Like WMD intel you've been chasing your tail on.
CIA는 특수정보팀이 마젤란에 대한 정보를 꽁꽁 숨기고 있음을 알려줍니다.
I want to get every address in that book.
You're gonna cut a deal? You're gonna cut a deal with the Jack of Clubs?
Reservation for reason. What is it?
Well, I came to find weapons and save lives.
You want to know what happened to the weapons? Gotta find Al-Rawi and bring him. Hamza's being held at the high-value target wing at camp. Here's a pass. We got another prisoner there we can use. Use him as an excuse to get the Hamza of him and his family out of the country by the end of the week.
밖에 나오자 파운드 스톤과 마주치는데
Pentagon just revoked your transfer. Chose the wrong side. Hey! Think you go? Hey!
White House authorization. I want the book. He's got too much riding on this to have you and some Baptist General.
Got it.
Stay out of this money. Use local assets. It's high priority.
국방부 또한 이들의 손을 들어주고 있었습니다. 그 시각 프레디와 함께 함자를 만나러 온 밀러.
Stay close to me, Freddy. OGA.
Here to see a prisoner?
Coming in for an ID check.
Hey, Hamza, get up. Get a medic. Say get a medic!
Say the general did everything you ask of him in...
What meeting?
He just said Jordan.
요르단이라는 정보를 남긴 채 그대로 숨을 거두어 버렸죠. 이어 밀러가 향한 곳은
Need to talk to you about Magellan.
바로 여기자 대인이었습니다.
Well, did you ever meet the guy? You know who he is? How do you know what he's saying is true?
Because I made contact through a reliable...
Magellan's intel is bullshit.
Miller.
Jesus Christ, this is the reason we went to war. How does this happen? How does somebody like you write something that's not true?
대인은 한참을 고민하더니 진실에 대해 이야기합니다.
I got a phone call one day from a senior official in DC. Puts the source report in my hand. Magellan's product, the raw intel.
사실 마젤란의 정보는 정부의 고위 관리로부터 얻은 것이었고
It was Jordan, wasn't it? The meeting was in Jordan.
Yes.
Al-Rawi's Magellan.
충격적인 마젤란의 정체,
Poundstone met Al-Rawi in Jordan. What's he hiding?
We're no WMD.
When Al-Rawi's movements outside Iraq.
It all makes sense. Teams came up empty at those sites.
Muhammad Al-Rawi was in Amman, Jordan on February 5th. Timmy Clark Poundstone's movement, same period.
Clark Poundstone routed Washington, D.C. to Amman, Jordan.
Poundstone's hunting Al-Rawi. He doesn't want the truth to get out.
즉 미국은 대량 살상 무기로 인해 전쟁을 시작했지만 사실 무기는 처음부터 이라크에 존재하지 않았었고 이제는 그 진실을 감추기 위해 알라위가 제거 대상이 되어버렸죠. 이미 알라위를 제거하기 위해 움직이고 있었고 이를 알고 출동한 밀러가 알라위를 도와주죠.
Tell him I need to get a message to General Al-Rawi.
Yeah, I got him.
Told him I'd meet him at the Adamia bus station tonight.
You are serious to do a deal with Muhammad Al-Rawi?
We're just trying to save lives, Freddy.
All right, listen up. We're going to Adamia.
알라위는 이라크 주민들에게 전쟁 범죄자로 욕을 먹고 있었고 프레디 또한 그를 증오하고 있는 듯 보였습니다.
سيدي ودي التبيك سيدي وهذا العرض ننتظره. Yeah. Briggs. We got a problem. Where's Miller?
Stand by.
Mac Delta, 85th XTF.
He's moving northwest towards Adamia.
He's meeting with Al-Rawi. When you find Al-Rawi, you take that son of a bitch out.
특수정보팀도 빠르게 움직이기 시작했고
Alpha 1, I need you to divert to Adamia City. Kill, no catch or mission.
Poundstone's just called a press briefing downstairs. Something big, Marty.
그 시각 밀러는 접선 장소에 도착했습니다.
This is the bus station. It's just over there.
I'm gonna move across to the kiosk. You give me 30 seconds to get across.
Someone just showed up. I'm gonna follow.
2 minutes, people. 2 minutes to the announcement.
We have a major announcement. Transform Iraq into a modern, functioning democracy, expanding Iraq's remaining military forces. Entirety of Iraq's military and paramilitary forces. All military ranks, titles, and status. Changes coming to the Middle East at last.
이 발표는 이라크 측을 분노하게 만들었고 예정된 접선도 실패로 돌아가며 밀러가 납치되고 말았습니다. 미리 움직이던 특수정보팀들이 현장의 위치를 알게 되었죠.
We have a U.S. soldier abducted. We need eyes on this AOR 87 Alpha Tango. 1-6, I've got your 2 vehicles moving rapidly. Grid, Kilo Zulu 873. All right, put us down. Find an L's here. Quick for me.
밀러 앞에 알라위가 모습을 드러냅니다.
What do you want?
I came here to bring you in.
You had contact with the U.S. official in the weeks leading up to the war.
I told your official. We dismantled everything.
You lied about what you said. That's why we're here.
Your government wanted to hear the lie, Mr. Miller. This is why you are here.
There are still people in Washington who will work with you.
Why is your government disbanding the army? I risked my life. Tell you the truth about the place, Mr. Miller. The deck of cards.
그 순간 미군들도 이곳에 나타났고
Vanguard 6, this is Bravo 1. We're ready.
You have to come in with me, General.
The war is over. You will see. It has only just begun.
알라위는 급히 도망쳤고 밀러도 그 뒤를 쫓습니다.
Sir, I've got 2 hostiles headed east. Sir, I've got 1 more. There's 1 friendly in pursuit. They're now moving through alley, northeast. Bring me in. Want to cut them off. 45 degrees to your left to maintain intercepting course. I've got him. Keep going your current direction. RPG! Shit!
알라위를 암살하려는 특수정보팀의 추격이 계속되었고 밀러는 이를 막고자 했습니다. 알라위의 경호원과 특수정보팀 요원이 모두 쓰러지고 이곳엔 밀러와 알라위만이 남게 되었죠.
Stop there.
Sure, this is what they want back in Washington.
그런데
Put that weapon down! Now, Freddy! What the fuck did you do? It is not for you to decide what happens here.
Get out of here, Freddy. Go home while you can.
프레디의 말에 밀러는 아무 말도 할 수가 없었고
Great day. Indeed. Good to see you.
Good morning. How are you, gentlemen? How are you?
Democracy does. Sir?
A copy of my intel report. I wanted to give it to you personally.
Some pretty strong language here. You think anybody's gonna listen to you?
You made him up to get what you needed. Magellan, you made him up. When you peddled that shit in D.C., did they know it was a lie?
The reasons we go to war always matter.
Do you have any idea what you've done here?
We won.
Clark.
미국은 이라크의 의견은 무시한 채 미국에게 순종적인 인물들로 권력을 교체해버립니다. 밀러는 대인에게 자신이 본 모든 진실에 대해 보냈고 이렇게 영화는 막을 내리게 됩니다. 미국은 코바를 막고자 로봇 병사 부대 건프를 처음으로 실전 투입시켰고 적들의 매복에 미 해병대는 꼼짝없이 당하고 말았는데요. 부상자를 구하기 위해 한 병사가 이동하는데 이마저도 당해버리고 말았고
Requesting permission to engage.
Permission denied. 2 of our men trapped.
We have an additional 38 men on the ground, Sergeant. Bill, firm hellfire with Captain Bright.
Yes, sir.
이들을 무인 전투기로 지원해주고 있는 오늘의 주인공 하프.
Have a heavily armored truck with a broad wheelbase.
Truck's too close to our men to risk hellfire.
그러나 부상자 2명이 범위에 있어 발포 명령이 떨어지지 않았는데
Fire request denied.
I'm positive that's the launcher, sir.
Stay where you are. All right, let's get those 2 men.
DA went off the rail in 3.
결국 명령까지 무시하며 미사일을 쏴버린 하프.
What the fuck, Hart? You just disobeyed a direct order.
결국 그는 위의 부름을 받게 되고
2 U.S. Marines and 1 U.S. Army gun.
Felt most correct given all the intel that was available.
If Master Sergeant Miller hadn't given him the chance, he would have tried to save all 40.
Have you ever experienced a mass casualty encounter?
No, ma'am, but I
Thank
studied.
you, Lieutenant.
하프는 이번 일로 인해 새로운 근무지로 파견됩니다.
Your CO at Camp Nathaniel is a Captain Leo. Let's pray you're a fast learner.
Movie soldier! This is your new home comes to Captain Nathaniel! Seeing a lot of my pretty face! Fear, boys! With movies, fellas, come on!
이곳에서 상사가 말한 리오 데이를 찾았고
You must have really fucked up they sent you to Leo. You even know why you're here?
Closest UAV pilots would exercise greater caution if they...
You killed 2 Marines. You should be in jail.
With all due respect, sir.
I didn't ask you a question, son. Block 13. Follow the music. Harp. He's not like us.
Remaining charging time for Gump Unit C-45.
Are you Captain Leo?
Lieutenant Harp, sir. My deployment drive, sir.
심상치 않은 포스를 뽐내는 리오 대위.
99% performance record, 99% God damn, you a cold motherfucker. We have to deliver these vaccines to a clinic.
하지만 이는 리오의 표면적인 업무였을 뿐
So what do you really do?
I chase ghosts. Advanced weapons from insurgents beyond the wire. Sure NDA. Sign it or read all 90 pages. You ever heard the name Victor Koval? Victor Koval, Krasny warlord.
코발은 우크라이나를 러시아의 속국으로 만들려는 반군의 지도자였고
The Krasnys are getting stronger with the full support of Moscow.
이 상황 속의 평화유지 명목으로 미군이 들어와 있었습니다.
No, we're talking about Victor Koval nukes.
Nukes?
사실 이번 사건의 가장 큰 문제는 바로 핵무기였고, 과거에 있었던 냉전 이후 러시아는 핵무기를 봉쇄한 듯 보였지만
Russia would dismantle its one true safeguard against attack.
And Cole trying to get to the nukes here in Ukraine.
코발의 목표는 우크라이나에 있는 핵무기를 탈취하는 것이었죠.
My informant will feed us intel on Koval's next plane.
하프는 예상과 달리 이곳에서 중대한 작전에 투입된 것이었고,
I don't make mistakes, Lieutenant. Dress, Lieutenant. Double time.
그리고 밝혀지는 리오의 정체.
What the fuck, Captain? Fourth generation biotech, and I'm gonna give you 60 seconds to do. You feel as though you can trust me, Harper? Now, do you trust me?
Yes, sir. What are you, like, AI?
I'm a prototype. My existence is classified. I chose you. I needed someone who could think outside the box.
처음부터 리오는 하프를 선택했던 것이었고,
My subordinate. You don't question my authority, and we'll get on fine. 11 miles to the city.
All units be advised. We are proceeding outside.
공중에서 화면으로만 전장을 체험했던 하프는 이제 지상에서 전쟁에 참혹한 현장을 목격하게 됩니다.
This is Rattlesnake. Be moved up to yellow alert.
Look at these poor bastards stuck between us and Koval.
No signs of hostile activity. We have reports from base of 8 drug hits.
Get your rifle up.
All units prepare to exit the vehicle. Hostiles in the area.
Put the gumps out, form a perimeter.
항상 피해를 입던 민간인들은 군인들에 대한 분노가 강했고,
Tell your men to put their guns down.
Captain, fall back. God damn it! Tell your men to lower their weapons down.
All right. Okay. All right. Tell your men to put their guns down. All right, get your men off the street. Let's get that truck.
What did you say to him?
And I gave him the aid truck. And focus on the bigger picture. We got to get to the clinic.
그렇게 상황이 일단락되나 싶었는데 갑자기 시작된 반군의 기습.
God damn it! Get the gear! We're gonna go ahead on foot! You get that vaccine delivered! What the fuck?
하프와 리오는 엄호를 받으며 이곳을 벗어났고,
Koval's men attacking us, right?
Koval's getting closer, popping up like a game of whack-a-mole. You ever wonder why I look like this, Harp? Why would the Pentagon pick my face to represent the United States?
Didn't want to ask. Thought it might be robotist.
My sleeve might say U.S., but my face conveys neutrality. Let's keep moving. Our contact is waiting for us.
That's the Damsk encampment, huh?
It is.
이곳에서 연락책과 접선하는 데 성공하죠.
If Koval finds the nuke, the end of the world as we know it.
그런데 이들을 쫓는 수상한 한 남성이 있었고,
Hey, look. Harp, bring the other supplies.
무사히 백신을 전달한 그 순간
Victor Koval. Fuck yourself, American pig. What do you know about Victor Koval? Come on, tell me. Suit yourself. He's a fanatic. Welcome to the war, kid.
Where the fuck are we going?
I didn't say the intel was at the clinic.
Did your motherboard freeze?
Why are you such a pain in my fucking ass? Now get in the fucking truck.
No.
How long you think you'll survive out here on your own?
화면으로만 보고 냉철한 판단만을 하던 그가 직접 겪은 전장은 결코 호락호락하지 않았습니다.
You were right to fire. You killed 2 Marines but saved 38, did you?
What about you? It's your mandate.
I'm not a man, Lieutenant. I'm a combat soldier. In extreme situation, I have the ability to act of my own volition.
잠시 후 목적지에 도착했고, 이곳은 어느 보육원이었습니다.
Wait here.
그리고 나타나는 이곳의 원장 소피아.
Pleasure to meet you. Lieutenant Harp.
The vaccines were delivered. That's good, rookie. I've done everything you asked me to do. Sophia, tell me what you know. You can trust him.
I think Koval's one step away from operating by a series of highly classified access codes and hid them in a vault.
And Koval met that price.
I think so.
Tell me where those codes are.
I don't know.
Tell me who might know.
To break into a vault, the Kresny would need to buy hardware. He's an arms dealer called Variak Oshlak.
Can you take us to him?
Hold up, you're buying weapons from her?
How do you think I pay for this orphanage? You can arrest me, Lieutenant.
It's his first day outside the wire.
How does it feel to see your work up close? Most of these kids weren't orphaned by the Civil War. Your bombs destroyed their homes.
Hey guys, we gotta get going. Get in the car. Are you sure about this?
That's his car. He's here.
이들은 무기를 암거래하는 반군들을 잡으려 했고
They took delivery 1 hour ago. Where's the vault? The Dnipro investment.
Pozriska Street.
접속 코드가 있는 금고의 위치를 알아내는 데 성공하죠.
Captain, you can't go up against Koval.
That's why you're here. I requested your deployment because I need your help. But if you don't think it's worth your time, call it in.
리오의 단독 행동이 신경 쓰이지만 상황이 급했고 그는 결국 리오의 말을 믿어보기로 합니다.
All right, here we go. Keep your eyes open. Something I need you to do for me.
They put your tracker in your back? Cut it out, Hart.
리오는 등에 있는 추적기를 러시아군도 추적할 수 있기에 이를 하프에게 제거해달라 요청하죠.
Keep it here. Let's go.
이어 코드를 얻기 위해 은행에 접근했고
No matter what happens, Koval can't leave with those codes. Where's the vault?
What are you doing here, Hart?
Call Eckhart! I'm gonna get Koval!
Koval's here. He's going after the code. Leon's going after him. Dnipro investment.
Hold up.
Razzies everywhere and fucking Russian guns.
그 사이 인질들을 구출시키는 하프.
Okay, go, go.
Good job, Hart.
뒤이어 지원군으로 건프들이 도착했는데 남아있던 반군 세력이 인질들을 데리고 탈출을 시도합니다.
Okay, бросайте оружие. Бросайте оружие.
Shit, don't preempt, please.
Okay, easy. But you let them go, huh?
그런데 상황을 제대로 인지하지 못한 건프가 선제 공격을 해버렸고 결국 이곳은 아수라장이 되어버렸는데요. 민간인들마저 이 전투 속에 사로잡혀 버렸죠.
Hey, you! Move! Eckhart, the Gumps are firing on civilians.
We're about to take out Koval. You need to move your ass now.
ETA to target. T-minus 2 minutes.
There's civilians on the ground, sir. Leon's still in there.
늘 모니터에서 실리적인 판단을 하던 하프가 이번엔 반대 상황이 되어버렸고 그 시각 코드를 확보하기 위해 필사적으로 움직이는 리오. 결국 그는 코드를 확보하는 데 성공합니다.
ETA to target. T-minus 1 minute.
We gotta go inside now. Come on.
Weapons are hot. Target locked.
Come on. Come on.
결국 이곳에 큰 폭탄이 떨어졌고
Okay. We're all dead. I'm trying to save you.
Now you see your work firsthand. You a cold motherfucker.
Did you get the codes?
I got him. Great.
Let's call it in.
그런데 아무런 반응이 없는 리오.
The fuck are you up to, Leo? You brought me here. A drone pilot with a history of gross. Please tell me, what the fuck am I doing here? Leo, I'm ordering you to return us back to base immediately. You need me to validate you.
Oh, come on. Here we go. My backup system allows me to relinquish the need for human authority, including the removal of one fail-safe device. Keep it here. You disabled U.S. military hardware. Eckhart thinks I'm destroyed. Hey. Don't grow balls and I just save your fucking life.
시간이 어느 정도 흐르고 나서야 정신을 차린 하프. 정체를 알 수 없는 괴한들에게 납치를 당하는데
Boss is coming. Be quiet.
그의 앞에 나타난 것은 소피아였고 소피아에게 진실에 관해 이야기를 듣게 되는데 사실 리오의 진짜 목적은 러시아의 핵무기 시스템과 실제 핵무기까지 두 개 모두 다 확보하여 사실은 늘 전쟁을 조장해왔던 미국을 노리는 것이었습니다.
General Koval.
Why would you try to kill me?
Oh, Leo. I took insurance. You have the codes? Good. What's stopping me from killing you and taking?
We trust in Leo.
You trust him, Leo? And I don't know exactly why he's doing it, but you can't trust him.
I want the location of perimeter. I'll let you live.
Incredible what man is able to create.
You see, Leo, he can't lie to himself because he's learned who the real enemy is. Stabilize Russia by extending conflict in those countries.
Downtown Washington, New York.
He's gonna launch a nuclear strike on the U.S. Innocent people will die.
They just collateral.
I take perimeter. Then I dictate. I'll make me have to ruin this marvel of American technology.
Think that you're still calling shots.
How many people will die?
Can't answer.
You're on your own.
하프는 다시 군부대로 복귀했고
Leo's alive, sir. He's gone AWOL. Immediately. He lost his signal because I removed his failsafe.
Codes, and he's going after the silos. And last I heard, he's on his way to call in a drone strike, so it would appear he'd been destroyed.
I was eyes on the ground. Perimeter's real, sir. They all have the same goal. Nuke the U.S. main.
The relinquishers need to follow human authority.
Jesus Christ.
We gotta find him fast.
I mean, you made that practically impossible.
하프는 리오가 몰던 차량을 기억하고 있었고
Do you have a phone?
Bill, it's Harp. Now you gotta trust me, okay?
Okay.
You gotta help me.
Okay.
I need
Information on a black Escalade, registration 120.
Yes, that's him. Okay. Stay on it.
I can't send in forces over unverified intel.
I'll go. I fucked up, sir. Let me do the right thing.
그리하여 현장으로 향하는 하프.
Look, Miller, appreciate your support.
Good luck.
Harp, we've lost visuals of target. Sending last coordinates now.
Drone is in position. Confirmation brings her aim.
Setting off those nukes won't solve anything.
결국 핵을 가동시켜버린 리오.
Harp, drone is in position to strike. I need a sit report. To strike, I need a sit report now.
Hey, Leo, try this. How'd you switch it off? How the fuck do you switch it off?
Remove the humanity, Grease. The fight. The world's first use of fully autonomous cyborg.
You want them to shut the program down?
리오는 미국의 본토를 폭격함으로 자신과 같은 로봇의 개발을 막으려 했죠.
Believe what you want, but this is the motherfucking truth. I have to destroy the monster. My creator, the U.S. I am the face of never-ending war.
Millions will die, Leo. How about we do it my way? Framing eyes on Leo.
Weapons are hot.
Target locked. Jesus Christ, you better move your ass, son.
You know this makes sense. It's the greater good.
Harp! For fuck's sake.
You're wrong. Humans can learn to do better. It's the greater good, Leo.
Bill, DA went off the rail in 30.
Please don't be in there, Harp. Missile disarmed.
Harp, this is Eckhart. Do you copy?
Mission complete. Turning back to base.
You just saved the world. Harp, you should be proud, son. You're going home.
Thank you, sir.
기술이 발전되는 이 시대에 전쟁에 대해 다시 생각해보게 하는 영화 아웃사이드 더 와이어였습니다.